Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we want to share our experience with switching to a new water purifier, and let me specify that this is a non-sponsored video. So we have been using a Kent water purifier for the past 10 years. While it served us well, the main issue we have faced is a high maintenance cost. Every year we spend almost 5000 rupees just for the maintenance. So we started looking for a more affordable option with lower maintenance cost. After some extensive online research, we stumbled upon Urban Clap's native water purifiers. They offer two models, Native M1 and Native M2. Both models had great reviews, but we noticed a key difference. The M2 model comes with some advanced features like additional filtration stages and smart indicators. However, there was a significant drawback for us. The M2 doesn't supply water when there is no power. Given the power cuts in our area, this was a major concern. So we decided to go with the M1 model, which seemed like a perfect fit for our needs. We ordered the native M1 from Flipkart. The ordering process was straightforward, and we even got an exchange offer for our old water purifier valued at Rs 1200. This was a nice bonus that made the deal even more attractive. Price for the native M1 was around 13k, and with the exchange offer and some bank discount, we got it for Rs 10,700. The delivery was impressively fast. The very next day, our new purifier arrived and it was an open box delivery. This meant we could inspect the product before accepting it, which was very reassuring. The following day, the Urban Company team contacted us to schedule the installation. They were very accommodating and arranged for a representative to come by at 11 am. The representative arrived on time and we were impressed with his professionalism. He carefully unpacked the purifier and explained each step of the installation process to us. He was thorough and ensured everything was set up perfectly, answering all our questions along the way.
Without touch screen. This is only manual tap here.
Okay.
And there is a 4 filter.
Okay.
Inside, I will see. Inside 9 stage, this one filter 9 stage. You can open from this side. 2 button is here.
Okay.
Any leakage issue, you can remove. First off, remove this cover plate. Put it here. Here one. And slowly.
Okay.
Out.
Okay.
Now you can open this one. Slowly.
Oh, so no screws and things,
No
is it?
screw in this
No.
side.
Okay.
Easily you can remove, no problem.
Okay.
Now we can remove. This is 9 stage filter here.
Okay.
Alkaline charger with activated carbon, alkaline and post carbon.
Okay. Okay.
3 filter inside. This is UF, this is sediment, this is carbon, and this is aero membrane, this is pump. There are 2 SV here. First of all, it's working for stop the water, input water, and this is flushing SV. After the fill the tank, it will fully flush and remove all particles, dust particle from the filter.
Okay.
Okay. Now we can go to there and
The entire installation process took about an hour. The representative made sure to check the water flow and quality before leaving, and he also gave us some useful maintenance tips to keep the purifier running efficiently. We were very satisfied with the whole service. The installation was smooth and hassle-free, and the representative's attention to detail gave us confidence in our new purifier. Overall, we are extremely happy with our decision to switch to the native M1 water purifier. The warranty is one of a kind and not offered by any other brand in the market. It covers any filter, membrane and electrical part cost for 2 years. It also includes any service or visit cost for 2 years. So it's an affordable option with low maintenance cost, and the entire experience from ordering to installation was excellent.
Filtering the water direct.
filter.
Okay.
Okay. After then, water will we go to the carbon filter. After then, sediment.
Okay.
After then, go to the membrane.
Okay.
After membrane, go to the TTS and UF and alkaline.
Okay. Good.
This is the last motor. This time,
Okay.
it's working for 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. After the purification starting time.
Okay.
30 second wasting.
First 30
first
seconds
30.
flushing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
After then it will purify.
Okay. Okay.
Now you can see here slowly water going. After flushing, this mode. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That one
Okay.
flushing mode. Okay. This
Okay.
is purifying mode.
Okay.
Purifying mode. This is the breathing mode. Okay.
Okay.
Light blinking like this one only.
Oh, that is purifying mode.
Yeah. Purifying mode.
Okay. 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 So, will there be any warning symbol once that service time or something like that?
No. In this filter, no.
No, no, not there. Is it? Okay. So, how do we know, like
You can realize by taste.
taste, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That time we
That
need
will
to.
be changed. Any
Okay.
issue, that will be changed.
Okay. So we'll have to actually contact customer
Yeah.
care that time.
Customer care.
Okay.
2-year complete warranty for this filter.
Okay. Okay. So any
no,
complaint?
No cost filter for 2
Okay.
years.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
For 12 liter capacity, 6,000 per year.
Sorry.
12,000 liter
Okay.
capacity for this filter. Okay.
Okay.
Only warranty for 12,000 liter only.
Okay. Okay.
For within 2 years, after 12,000 liter water,
Okay.
if you use 12,000 liter water.
Okay. Okay.
Here sensor here.
Okay.
We can check
Okay.
how
Okay.
can you can use.
Okay. Oh, consumption we can identify there, is
Yeah,
it?
yeah,
Okay. Okay.
Now 222.
Mm-hmm.
Drinking water 50 to 150 between, sir.
Okay. Okay.
When came to the below 150,
Okay.
I will be slow.
Okay. Okay.
180,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
135. You can drink.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It will go to 80. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
1 minute, I hold it. 1 or 3. Alkaline charger test, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Few difference.
Okay.
Like not RO water. Okay.
Okay.
Included with mineral, alkaline, and post carbon.
Okay.
3
Okay.
filter inside. So
Okay.
that's why this taste is different.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Now 91. 80 I adjust that one.
Okay. Okay.
The water tastes great and we have peace of mind knowing we made a good choice. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable water purifier, we definitely recommend checking out Urban Clap's Native M1. It's a great investment for your home. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates and reviews. I'll see you soon with the next video. You guys stay safe and stay happy. Bye.